the taxi.
Guys, taxi diri guys, oh. Ilas kayo, taxi, oh. Audi lang naman. The last time po na nagsakay ko kay BMW. Taxi. Kaya ka mga taxi diri. Di basta-basta. Nga today mi sa Tesco guys, grocery mi. Good morning day sa inyo diha. Good morning. Bed?
Good morning. Hello.
At mi sa Accrington Tesco. Init ko oyo karon. So naka-short lang mi duha. Naka-shorts lang mi kay. Iga kayo. See you later, guys. Wow. Wow.
Strawberry and lime.
Yeah, strawberry. How much? 375. Okay. What? Ah, yeah, my biscuit. Okay. Paulit na mi. Daghang kita ko. Sabado, mga. Oops. Oops. Kuan na po. Naka-scam na po do. Kabudol na po.
Oh, warm here, isn't it? Very warm.
So warm. Oh, there is Charlotte. There is Charlotte. Ah, napoy cactus. 5 pound only with the ceramic na. Cactus. Thank you, malam. Paulit na eh. It's, what time is it? 10:30? Uy, kainit. Practice, babe. Driving.
Learning driving.
Learning driving.
Wow, it is warm. 20 degrees.
20 degrees. Wow. Let's go extra. so hot. Oh, sexy. Init kaayo. Nice, oh, $2.99 only. Yeah, that's £10 only with the basket already. And they're all, they have different kind, no? Yeah, we can save that, babe.
The plastic ones only $4.99.
Yeah, $4.99 ang plastic. It's cheaper. Yeah, that's nice, babe. Oh my gulay. I love that. That is it plastic?
Plastic.
Yeah, it's plastic. This one, oh, they're small, babe. Oh, $1.50 only. Can we have this? How much is that?
$3.99.
$3.99, and this is
No, what are you going to do with it?
a plate.
So you want 2 of them, do you?
Yes.
Both of them. Check them 2 out.
Hmm?
Them 2. So you don't...
Nice, oh. Nice kayo. For only $4.99. Diffuser. Buy 2 for £5. So, big savings na. I like this, oh. And then, lemon vase, $3.99 lang. Nadi ini sa home bargain karon, guys.
Did you want some hair dye?
Hair dye, I still have one. Barato na lang ko, ayo. Ah. Nakakuha ni sa balayo, tag £40. Hindi na. Oh, beautiful still loader. 27. Mas barato sila dari. Oh, $2.99 lang dagko na. What is this na? Wala man po di ice.
We'll be opening till 4.
Candle holder, yeah. It's nice. Oh, $1.99 only. Oh, what's that? Ihi. Ihi. Yabo. Oh, nice, babe. Oh, candle, babe. Big.
Huge.
The outdoor edit. Yeah, candle holder.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's like the one that we've got on the... Well, like the one that we did have on the upstairs.
$1.99 lang ang diffuser. Oh, barato ka, dali.
That's cheap for blade.
Yeah. Is it legit?
Be careful picking that one.
Nice, oh. Cloth. Cloth, babe. This one, oh. Oh, gamay rada siya. But okay na. Oh, nice. It's a cloth, babe. Kamay kaing table, oh. £15. Folding. £14. 15 di ay. Folding, babe. Huh? What? Nice, babe, oh. $2.49 only. Life is sweet. We had that here?
Well, you must have done.
Yeah, I think so. Wow, $1.99 only, babe. This is outdoor?
Yep.
Nice. Barato ra, oh. $2.99. La. £1.50 only? Cute kayo. Cute. £20. That's bare. Oh, nice ang mga bulak. Cute niya eh. Snail. Snail. Plastic. Dagag yung ani ba, di ba? Sa mga balay-balay. Hindi ko ganahan ng plastic do. Open niya mga palit. Yeah, that one big oh. 179 only.
no, it is canvas.
Ay, canvas din. Nang lang may frame para sa among painting. Mga birthday, mga event.
I think the range would be better for picture frames.
Yeah, but very expensive. Cute oh, ay cute. Ay. Hello, Pogi.
Hello.
Oh, nice. You will hang that?
What size did you say the thing was?
8 by 12. Oh, we will have that, babe. Maybe it's cheaper here. Captain Morgan, oh. Remix. AU. Oh, AU.
Look at that. Store by. You can get.
Sige, painit diha. Bahala ka. Ako, nagpayong. Yung jugong panion, Drede. Kami ko payong kami sa B&M.
I've got to take a picture. We twizzle it around, then the B&M's will put it down in. 3, 2, 1.
I hope they have aircon, babe.
Well, they've got a garden centre. So you can go outside.
I don't need a garden center. I need aircon. So hot. Oh. What? Let's go, baby. It's so hot in here.
Yeah, go on, follow.
Dala-dala ko ni Moji. Manguha gani ko di bola ko. Babe, oh. Nice color.
Yeah, come on, good enough.
Oh, there, see? You got enough? Dala-dala ko ni Modri niya. Didi. Why it's green?
I don't know, maybe some of the strawberry shows better. I don't know.
Is it nice?
Copy out that.
This one?
I think so, yeah. It's not exactly strawberry, it's not exactly nice, is it?
Yeah. I don't know. Nangilibog na noon ko. Nice, oh. Parehas ako, ah. I have that. Kapalit siya usapan ni kayang gibukak akong ingani.
Perfect for drinking your strawberry burst out of.
Yes.
You need a nice
Oh, nice, babe. Oh. We still have ice cube tray. I mean, nice. Wala ka cute ani oy, lemon. Grabe, kainit naman namin doon. Ayun, saan man eh. What is the temperature, babe?
According to my vehicle, it is 34.
34 degrees. Oh my God.
But it won't be 34, it's because it's been sat in the sun sheet.
Ish, kainit, my God. Madto na po mi sa the range. Kay wala mi nakakita dito og doorknob. Ang palit mi og what?
Door handle.
Door handle di ay. Kay naguba ang handle dito sa second door sa main door. Oh, only few customers today because it's very hot. Nice call you. Ilang mga display karon is black and white. Cute. Very classy. It's 104.99 only. And that is so cute. Strawberry. That's $12.99. Expensive. Oh, candle. Wow. I like them. This one, candle holder, $2.49. Oh, cute. 4. Oh, globe. And that one, cute.